and welcome to my channel. My name is Mika Rose, energy healer and teacher, aromatherapist, crystal healer, founder of Cosmic Rise Healing Boutique. Today we will be going over how to use the new moon's energy to manifest your dreams and crystals you can use to support you. If it is your first time here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you can be notified of when other videos like this are available. And this is the second video of my mini series on the moon phases. So if you haven't already, please go back and watch the first video. And let's go ahead and jump into the new moon. The new moon is the first primary lunar phase, and it is the time where the sun and the moon and the earth are in perfect alignment. The moon sits directly between the sun and the earth, and we are seeing the side of the moon that is not lit. The moon's illumination actually comes from the sun. So, this is a time where you cannot see any of the moon in the sky, and this is the only time that the sun, the moon, and the earth are in perfect alignment. So, it is a perfect time to use that energy of alignment to bring ourselves into balance. The new moon is about new beginnings, setting your goals, and manifesting your dreams. Doing an energy clearing ritual is a really good way to start off the lunar cycle. You can use liquid smudge or smoke smudge. I suggest using sage because it is the one of the strongest energy clearing methods, but you can use any energy clearing method you choose. I would first clean my space really well so that I can go ahead and get prepared for the cycle. And then once I do that, go ahead and do my energy clearing method. Journaling every new moon is a great ritual to help you to stay on top of your goals. Get a journal or a notebook and dedicate it to your new moon intentions. Once you have cleansed your space, do whatever you need to do to get into a really comfortable and relaxed state. You can take a spiritual bath, do a candle ritual, or just light some candles or incense. You can use a singing bowl, or if just cleansing your space has gotten you into that comfortable space, you can do that as well. You can also meditate and just take some deep breaths and get into that really free mind, that free state of mind. Once you've done that, go ahead and really start to think about what it is that you want to accomplish. Make sure that it is within reach. Don't overdo it. Don't overplan. And then also make sure that you're going to have the time available to make it happen. This is setting your intentions. So after you've done this, you can go ahead and thank God, the universe, spirit, goddess, whatever resonates with you most for helping you to manifest your dreams in advance. And then think of it as if you have already done it. Think of it as if it's already happened. That's why I actually like to draw it out rather than writing it in my journal, because it causes me to have that visualization effect. And visualization is a very good way to make your manifestations a lot higher in energy. So when you're writing, really think about how you feel as if it's already done. How would you feel? What would you do? How would it change your life? And then that will actually increase the power of that intention as well. Now we're going to go over my personal favorite, which is which crystals you can use to support you during the new moon. You can use the following crystals by just carrying them with you. You can place them on top of your new moon intention journal, or you can even create a crystal grid if you have all of the crystals. I actually like to create a crystal grid on top of my journal so that it is like a super slam double effect. Selenite. Like a flashlight in a dark room, it clears away the darkness and brings in the light. It is a protective stone that keeps negative influences away from the mind so that you can get clear on your goals. It also opens up the higher chakras so that you can receive divine guidance. You can place selenite on your new moon journal to keep your intentions clear of negative energy. Clear quartz is known as the master healer because of its powerful healing energy and amplifying effects. It can store any intention and amplifies the effect of any thought that is stored into it. It promotes clarity and focus so that you can realign your mind, body, and spirit to get clear on your goals. You can place clear quartz on your new moon journal to promote clarity in your intentions and amplify the effect of your intentions. Citrine, a powerful cleansing and energizing stone. It promotes creativity and protects your aura of negativity. It inspires creativity and rids the mind of self limiting beliefs. It is also known as the stone of abundance because it attracts prosperity, success, and all things good. You can place the train on your new moon journal to promote abundance in your intentions. Carnelian, a grounding stone that helps you to live in the moment. It sparks your creativity and energizes you so that you can get things done. It is also known as the stone of purity, which is perfect for setting new intentions. You can place carnelian on your new moon journal to promote pureness in your intentions and to keep the energy of your ritual pure. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful to have connected with you energetically. If you haven't already, please check out our website at www.cosmicrise.net for healing tools and tips. And also, if you haven't, please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to get notifications of other videos like this. If you have anything that you would like to see me talk about, please leave it in the comments down below. And once again, thanks for watching. And as always, please rise up.